I'm all about experiences, you know, income is great, but sometimes I'd rather... Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Ollie. So if you are new here, make sure you smash the subscribe button and the like button. I make videos about marketing, creating content and entrepreneurship here on the channel. So if you are interested in that type of content, like I said, smash the subscribe button so you never miss a video. And if you are a new subscriber, please go ahead, put in the comments, subscribed, and I'll always reply to every single comment. In today's video, we're going to talk about my 8 streams of income as a 25-year-old living in London and just basically give you some inspiration and some things that you could potentially do moving forward. So number 1 is my full-time job as a real estate agent. I have recently become a real estate agent, so if you are a long-term subscriber of the channel, you would know this is pretty recent, and I'm going to make a full video on this. I'm working a full 9 to 5 job because of these other streams of income that are more passive. I'm now able to go and get a job and learn something new that I'm really interested and passionate about. So I get a full-time salary from this job, and I also get a commission on top of my basic salary when I sell houses or let out houses. Number 2 is commission-based selling. I work with a few different companies that if I refer people to them, they give me a commission for simply doing so. This is something that anyone can do. You can either go on to Google, go on to Fiverr, go on to Upwork and just look for commission-based sales, and there will be tons of people, business owners, entrepreneurs, course sellers, you know, product sellers that will be happy to give you a commission for you selling their product on their behalf. Number 3 is my marketing agency. Now, I've had the marketing agency for a while now, and it's been something that I'm very, very passionate about, creating content and running ads for businesses. And it's something that I've managed to train my team to make it very passive for me now, that I basically just have to do the sales side of things and then train my team members on how to do the fulfillment side of things. But the agency model is amazing, and you can do that anywhere in the world. For me, it was something that I wanted to create as a passive income source that I could go off and do stuff like I'm doing now, you know, learn new things, but still have that income source that can continue to grow even without me being there 5-10 hours a day doing the fulfillment side of things. So the agency is something I would definitely suggest you getting into, especially if you're passionate about creating content like I am. I've got tons of videos on the channel to start your own agency, so please go ahead and check out the channel for other similar videos. Number 4 would be YouTube Adsense. So I have now been monetized here on the YouTube platform, so I get money every time someone watches one of the ads on one of my YouTube videos. Same again, this is an amazing passive income source, and it's something I'm excited to grow here on YouTube. So if you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, leave a comment below, because that always helps with the YouTube algorithm. I'll also be documenting the process of starting a cash cow channel, which is something that I'm investing my time and money into, which doesn't require me sitting in front of my camera to get the videos out. It's something that I can pay freelancers to make the videos from start to finish, and in the long-term strategy of it, it will ultimately be making money 24/7, 7 days a week without me literally even having to make a video. Number 5 is brand deals. Now, this channel isn't the biggest of channels, but because of the marketing agency, I still have a lot of people reach out to me, and it's something that is really a good thing because you can sort of pick and choose who you want to work with, and as your personal brand or your business gets bigger, you can make a lot of money from brand deals. I personally work with brands that I feel fit and are suitable to my personal brand and my audience, but with the agency, I do have a lot of people reach out to me that want me to personally, like, the word influencer gets to me, but you know, they want me to create a video as like a service for the marketing agency, but they actually want me to be in the video. There's a lot that goes into it, but I'm going to keep those separate because, you know, my YouTube channel helps the fact that they can see the type of content that I can create as a content creator and not just an agency owner. People will want me to be in the videos that we are creating for them as a business, and that happens just based on the fact that I've got this arsenal of YouTube videos that people can watch and see what I can do and how I could help promote their brand, and sometimes that is simply me creating a 30-second commercial video. Number 6 is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is essentially what I was talking about with like the commission-based sales, but it's all online. Okay, so with the commission-based sales, I'm helping, you know, B2B be sort of business owners and they've got their own actual place, and you know, it's actually promoting that service rather than a product. However, with affiliate marketing, it's all online, and mainly all of the affiliate marketing things that I deal with is softwares and products. So softwares, I work with companies like TubeBuddy and Lead Pages, and when someone clicks on my links in the description and goes through and signs up to one of these softwares, I will get a commission for sending those people to that company. The best thing when it comes to affiliate marketing for me is I look for companies that pay out a recurring commission. So softwares that will pay me month in, month out for everyone that I've sent to them, you know, every time that they continue to use the service. So for example, if someone signs up for a £20 per month software that I've sent them to, and I get paid £5 every single month that they continue using that software, that is something I want to invest my time into promoting, because it's recurring commissions rather than something else that I promote, which is just Amazon products. You're only going to get a commission every time someone actually goes through and orders something through that link. It's not going to be recurring commission. Number 7. Now, number 7 is being an extra. Now, this is something I honestly love. You know, as you can tell, I like being in front of a camera. I love the whole filming process. I love like TV and movies. And since I've done this extra stuff, it's sort of opened my eyes in terms of production, and even just being around those type of people, I think has a massive impact when it comes to your mindset on business and seeing how things are done. So this is something I've done for the last 2.5 years, I think. So I just signed up for an agency. This is something that anyone and everyone can do. Literally go onto Google and type in modeling agency or extra agency. You know, I'm a part of an agency now, essentially, that when they're doing a shoot or they're filming something and they think that I am suitable for a part, they'll go ahead and text me or ring me and say, are you available on these days? And if I'm available, yes, cool, I'm coming. I love doing that type of work. I've actually just finished doing 4 days last week for an agency, and this project is very, very cool. It's something I'm going to be very proud to have been a part of. And the thing is, with doing this modeling or extra sort of work, being an extra in a TV program or a film, you never know where you could end up. Like, someone could see you in that program or see you in that film, and then naturally, you know, they might be the director of the next James Bond and then think, yeah, like, we want him to be an extra. For me, it's just like opportunity cost. It's like, if I didn't do those extra works, okay, maybe I'll have to sacrifice working, you know, to do X, Y, and Z on those days, but you never know what the outcome will be from you appearing in those certain places. Yeah, like, I've managed to meet like a really cool actor, like a big Hollywood actor on the back of this, which is really cool. And I'm all about experiences. You know, income is great, but sometimes I'd rather like lose a bit of income to gain experience and knowledge and relationships with certain people. So yes, I would definitely recommend, if you're open to doing that, you're not afraid to be on camera, or you know, you like the whole acting and production side of things, being an extra is definitely something I would suggest. I've had the best time and met some amazing people doing this. Number 8 is one-on-one coaching and consulting. This is something I absolutely love doing. I used to be a personal trainer, so I love the whole teaching and coaching side of things. It's something that I absolutely love helping people with, that one-on-one relationship of being able to help and explain certain situations and softwares, creating content, building systems. Everyone knows on this channel that I'm a nerd when it comes to building systems in businesses and, you know, softwares and automation. So that's something that I can leverage as a skill, and what people will pay me on a one-to-one, hourly, daily basis for me to come in, help out with their business and see, you know, what we can do to streamline their processes, essentially. I can't actually physically hold 9 fingers up. Number 9 is being a reseller. This is obviously something that pretty much goes up and down depending on how active I'm being with this business model. It's something I enjoy because as a tech nerd, I'll pick up electric goods, gadgets and stuff like that. And I'm always looking at stuff that's going to hold its value or increase its value. So before the whole lockdown and stuff like that, one thing I used to do was head into CEX and see if I could find tech gear that is below market value, buy those and then resell them onto Facebook Marketplace. That is also something I do with eBay and Facebook Marketplace. That honestly, if you're watching this and you're looking for something to get in just to start making some cash flow, go onto eBay, go onto Facebook Marketplace, see if there's anything that you could buy on. You can do this either way as well, by the way. You could go onto eBay, see if there's something that's pretty cheap that you could put onto Facebook Marketplace for a profit, or vice versa. Do it the other way round. Facebook Marketplace and eBay, there's a lot of money to be made. It's something that I basically do kind of just as and when they come up. If there's something I want, or if there's something I see when I'm searching through both of these platforms, it might just be something that I'm interested in buying that I know that I'm probably going to get bored of in a week or 2 weeks time, and then I can sell it for a profit. And I've done this with a lot of tech gear. So guys, I hope that inspired you to take action when it comes to the online world. Please, anyone can do this. Like, I'm not doing anything special. Please, like, do your due diligence. Go and look at other people here on YouTube. I've only took those steps because I've seen similar videos like this. So please do not look at this as like I'm showing off like what's going on. Like, I'm really not. I'm just trying to show you that these things are possible, and a lot of them are passive once you set them up. So guys, like I said, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and if you made it all the way to the end of the video, let me know what your favorite flavor of milkshake is in the comments below. I'll probably still have to say chocolate. Peace.
It's unknown T, I put galley on me, up block galley on me, panic and dash, the boy running.